Hey guys, give this video a thumbs up if you think that you are... What? How are you gonna ask for a thumbs up if they haven't even watched the video yet? Oh, I mean, I'm just hoping that they like the video.
Oh, you were just hoping to...
How dare you? No, I just thought I would ask for a thumbs up even though they haven't seen anything. Oh, and I just thought you would speak some English. No! You're a sick, twisted person. Oh my god, I am. You're right. Yeah, that's what I thought. Thumbs up if you think I'm right.
Yeah!
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Lad. Oh, that was two of them coming at you. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh, hey, thanks. It's great to be here. I'm sorry, does anybody else feel unwelcome here? Yeah, I'll be honest, a side of me does. Okay, welcome all to my YouTube channel. Okay, that's messed up. No, that's just a mediocre joke. But hello there, beautiful. Oh, hey. Hey, say hello to me. But you're ugly. Oh, you take that back. Oh, sorry, I'm back. What happened? Okay, I'm done. Nice to meet you. But hello there, beautiful. Want to know the secret to being beautiful? Well, I can't tell you because it's a secret. No one knows. I don't know. Ask Victoria. But today, I have some beauty hacks for you.
Haven't washed your hair in 17 days? That's a specifically long time. Well, use some dry shampoo to refresh that mess. And if you haven't washed your body, spray it all over that too. Everyone will think you've showered, or that you're just on drugs. Are your legs super hairy? Who has time to put up with shaving? Just style yourself to cover the hair. Akala Harry styles. Want to put on your makeup at the perfect angle like the beauty gurus do? Well, you can. First, grab some Scotch tape, then place on your eyes and face until you look borderline racist. Now apply your makeup as you normally would and peel to reveal absolute perfection. Are you a vegan with a chunk of meat stuck in your teeth and you can't get it out? And are you living a lie that you're a vegan? Well, get any unwanted food out of your teeth by using your hair as floss. And if you haven't washed your hair in 17 days and that's too unsanitary, then feel free to use somebody else's hair. Lipsticks nowadays can be way too expensive. Try this homemade lipstick that involves buying a lot of ingredients that will end up costing more. First, get a raspberry, a blueberry, a strawberry, and a blackberry because you're not racist. Mix all of these together until they become a thick paste. Then take a dip, swipe on the lip for an all-natural look.
Yeah! Where did everybody go?
Do you have dark circles and bags underneath your eyes? Well, say goodbye to under eye by not wearing your glasses. Now you can't even see them. Are your lips dry, crusty, and ashy? Grab some olive oil and apply to your lips for a super subtle lip gloss. Soup's easy to take on the go, too. And no one will think you're an alcoholic. Want to know a secret way to making your girls look bigger? Stuff them with tissue. Then, if someone makes fun of you for stuffing your bra, you can use your tissue to cry into.
Okay, no. Why do I have an accent? Girls, you do not need to stuff, contour, or even duct tape yourselves in any way. Yes, duct tape. I've tried it before. Almost lost a nipple. But you are beautiful just the way you is, even if you are grammatically incorrect. And besides, it's what's on the inside that counts. On the inside? Yeah, 1, 2. Yeah, I counted 2 boobs. Man, okay, that's not what I meant. And I don't know what you're counting, because there's not much to count in there. What? That's rude, man. Okay, enough jokes. Girls, don't forget to stuff your bras. What? Okay, I'm done. Love yourself, you're beautiful. Next booty hack.
Do you paint on your fake eyebrows every single day, constantly worrying about them coming off? And then they do? Just grab a Sharpie and fill them in. Just be careful how you draw them because it is permanent. Do you constantly smell weird?
Yeah.
Ew. That's gross. Is your skin dry, itchy, flaky, and peeling off? Then get some help, you human lizard. But if you want baby booty smooth skin at home, try this homemade face mask recipe. First, add bleach to brighten your skin, some butter for moisturizing, rocks for exfoliating, baby food for anti-wrinkle, milk for lactose intolerance, and some white powder I bought from a guy in a dark corner. He said it would keep me young, so... Now mix all of that together, apply to your face, and BAM! Fresh, smooth skin. Is your hair flat and lifeless? Do you wish it had some volume?
I don't get it. So that is all I have for you guys today, because that is all the booty I can take. Thank you so much for washing your bodies, because one of us needs to. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, because this is my second time asking for it, so maybe I have a weird thumb fetish. And I'll see you guys next Wednesday with Les. Little brown girl is out. We try so hard with that, don't we? Bye! Look, I said we bake some cookies. Let's get baked. Ooh, I like that idea. Drugs. We've done that. Drugs? Yes. Knew it. No, we've made cookies for a video before. I got nothing. I got clothes. I don't believe it. Fine, it's not, okay? It's a Chipotle bag. Now I smell like pico de gallo. What? Hey, what are you doing? You're still here? What, do you like me or something? I have no idea why. Maybe you were expecting like a blooper or a mess up back here, and I feel really bad about that, so... Oh, and there's my potato grease. Anywho, I wanted to tell you guys that I actually just opened a P.O. box. Ugh. And I feel really weird about opening one because I don't want you guys to go out and buy me stuff or send me gifts. Like, just send me money. What? I'm kidding, but I'm also kind of nervous that somebody's gonna send me like a bag of poop. And if you send me a bag of poop, I'm not going to open it. I'm just gonna like scratch and sniff it. Anyways, I thought it would be a cool way to like personally connect with some of you guys, and maybe I'd send a postcard back. What? Keep the expectations low. But yeah, so no one send poop unless you had something really good to eat the day before. No, I'm serious, please, someone's gonna do it. But okay, cool, so I'm not gonna sign off again, so I'm just gonna like disappear. Aw man, I forgot to put a jump cut, so I just like ran away, didn't I?